Right. So moving on to the process of ovulation. A oocyte is going to travel from the ovaries towards the uterus, and the fertilization of ovum is going to take place when the sperm is going to join with the ovum in the proximal part of the oviduct. अब ये जो fertilized egg है ये uterus में जाता है where it is implanted for further growth and development, and this happens because the oocyte is viable only for 24 hours, so you only have the window of 1 day to fertilize it. But the sperm can persist in the female reproductive tract for 3 to 5 days. So millions of sperm travel from the vagina towards the oocyte, लेकिन normally सिर्फ एक penetrate करता है, the ovum. ठीक है? So they are being hurdled by acidic environment of the uterus and white blood cells of the female reproductive tract. So any sperm is going to face a lot of problems because of the acidic environment and also the white blood cells that are going to recognize them as foreign biological entities and try to kill them. So the oocyte has two important membranes. You have the corona radiata and the zona pellicuda. So the sperms, जब ये actually पहुंचते हैं fallopian tube where the oocyte is, they will have to penetrate the oocyte by crossing these two membranes that I have just talked about. It is done by a special hydrolytic enzyme का एक set that let the sperm inside the oocyte. Once the sperm enters, it signals the secondary oocyte to get ready for meiosis 2, and all the other sperms are destroyed and prevented from entering the oocyte. So, if you look at the process of menstruation, you have day 1 में follicular phase, then you have day 5 to 12, which is leads you into the fertility phase, and then from day 13 to 16 you go to the luteal phase, and then from 17 to 28 luteal phase के बाद you reset the cycle and the cycle starts again. So moving on to zygote formation, ठीक है ना? When the sperm penetrates the oocyte, meiosis 2 is going to happen immediately, forming two daughter cells. ठीक है ना? और आपकी ये जो दो daughter cells हैं, they are going to respectively be called the ovum and the second polar body. Of the sperm nucleus swells up 5 times its size, and on the other hand, the female nucleus from the ovum is formed, both containing genetic information from each gamete. So, आपके sperm में है paternal information और ovum में है maternal information. The two start approaching each other and then forming a mitotic spindle between them. And when the membranes of the two rupture, क्रोमोसोम्स इनके अंदर जो होते हैं वो स्प्रेड आउट करते हैं एंड द रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड ए डिप्लॉयड जाइगोट एंड देन द एग इज basically considered a fertilized egg. So the zygote will implant itself into the endometrial lining, जहाँ पे it begins to develop over many weeks into an embryo and eventually a fetus. And as the embryo develops into a fetus, it triggers changes within the endometrium that lead to the formation of the placenta. And the placenta provides a developing site for the fetus, जहाँ पे उसे ऑक्सीजन और वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स वगैरह मिल रहे हैं और वो वेस्ट को डिस्पोज ऑफ कर रहा है.